Hola y bienvenidos a Spring Spanish. I am Juan Rojas. Mi nombre es Juan Rojas and I am one of the Spring Spanish teachers. In this video, I'll share you some common greetings in Spanish. Te voy a enseñar cómo puedes saludar a las personas en español. Did you notice I already greeted you in Spanish? There are many more ways to do so keep watching to become a pro at greeting people in Spanish. Acompáñenme. As you probably know, there are many countries in the world that speak español, specifically in Latin America and España. Spain, Spanish. That makes sense. So there are several ways to greet people in Spanish. But fear not, mis buenos amigos. In this video, I will give you 5 sentences that will work no matter what country you are in. And the first one is Hola. Well, that was easy. Hola means hello or hi, and it's a very convenient greeting as it can be used at any moment of the day and pretty much in any context. You can even combine it with our next sentences, which actually takes me to Buenos días. Buenos días. Buenos días. Buenos días means good day in Spanish. This is used both as good morning and good day, and we usually use it from sunrise to the start of noon. Even though buenos días is used in most Spanish-speaking countries, it is also perfectly fine to use the not so common singular version, buen día. Me, being from Venezuela, we use buenos días there, but when I moved to Argentina, I realized buen día is much more popular here. So there you go! 2 options to greet people in the morning. Buenos días and buen día. So what happens in the afternoon? We say buenas tardes. Buenas tardes. Buenas tardes. This means good afternoon, and it's used from 12 p.m. until the last hour of light. Since Spanish is a language spoken from La Patagonia to Madrid, you may want to check outside to see if there's still sunlight before saying buenas tardes. So what happens when the night comes? In Spanish, we say buenas noches. Buenas noches. Buenas noches. The great thing about buenas noches is it means good evening but also good night, so you can use it as greeting or farewell in the night hours. Now, you'll notice in Spanish, greetings always start with buenos or buenas. This means good in English, but in Spanish, words can be feminine or masculine, singular or plural. For example, tardes is feminine and plural. So we use buenas, buenas tardes, buenas noches. For días, which is also plural but masculine, we use buenos, buenos días. ¿Ves la diferencia? See the difference there? You'll also see that our greetings are mostly in plural, like saying good days or good nights. There are many theories about why we use the plural version, but one of the most popular is we Hispanic people tend to be very intense. It's a cultural thing. So we're not happy with wishing you only one good day or afternoon. We want to give you the whole package. So we wish you all of the good days you can get. Buenos días. Buenas noches. It's actually a pretty good deal if you ask me. Es un muy buen trato. So there you go. Now you have 5 sentences in Spanish to greet people at any time of day. Remember, you can combine hola with any of the other depending on the hour. So if you ever walk into a church in Barcelona at 5 p.m., you can say, Hola, Buenas tardes. If you have a craving for medialunas for breakfast and you run into a bakery store in Santiago at 9 a.m., you can use Buen día or Buenos días, and both are perfectly fine. If in the middle of the night you have to stop for directions at a gas station in Ciudad de Mexico, you'll want to greet the clerk with Hola, Buenas noches. Muy bien! Now you know exactly how to greet people in Spanish. We have a whole series of Spanish beginner videos, so feel free to check out the other videos from me and the other Spring Spanish teacher on our channel. Now, if you're ready to take it a step further and get serious about learning Spanish, we have a free training on our website where you'll discover the method we use in our Spring Spanish Academy to teach students to speak fluent Spanish. You also get some free sample Spanish lessons there that come straight from our academy. If you're interested, just click in the link in the description to sign up. Adios! Don't forget to subscribe, drop a like, and share this video with your friends.